Oh guys, it's snowing. Over the next 2 days, we're supposed to get up to 30 centimeters, so it could have some really great powder days on the way. Just in time before TJ leaves.
I hope so. It'll be my first powder day of the season. I am in need of some face shots, so.
Check this out as well, guys. We got the wall of boards. A few of TJ's boards mixed in there, my boards, Jill's board in the corner. All right, which board today?
I think I'm gonna stick with the No Bad Day Ambition. It's first day on it yesterday. Still got some really sharp edges, and even though we got some snow out there, I think it might still be pretty firm. So this will keep my edges holding.
Got the ginger kombucha and a peanut butter chocolate vegan cookie. It's pretty delicious. So today we're kind of coming up just for a half of a day. The storm has just arrived, so there's lots of snow coming down. Hasn't accumulated yet on the slopes or in the trees. And TJ's found his favorite pair of goggles.
I think so, guys. I prefer the spherical look, and I really like big goggles, and I think the Flight Decks are where it's at. I can feel just where that foam rests on my face. Super, super wide, great peripherals, and I really like the foam on these goggles too. It's just really getting a snug fit around my nose. The curvature just matches the shape of my helmet perfectly as well. It's like they were made for each other.
Hey TJ, show us where that tree gap is.
Right there. One of the best shoots on Whistler right there, boys.
It's actually really deadly up here today. There's just like a thin coating of snow on top of all the exposed rocks. We're actually down at the bottom, and there's a skier absolutely freaking out because he had a huge core shot through the bottom of his ski.
Yeah, it's a deceiving one out there today, guys.
Snow's coming! If we stay up here long enough, we'll just have fresh tracks all night.
Right, yeah, let's just hang out right here, give it a couple hours.
Alright guys, so I just picked up some new boots from Comor Solomon Synapse. So the reason that I got new boots was my ions are just getting worn out. I've been wearing them for, about 6 months now, riding quite a bit. Doesn't seem like a very long time, but I can really feel that these boots are starting to become too soft and I'm not getting much support in them anymore. So yeah, I picked up the Solomon Synapse, tried on a lot of different pairs of boots. Tried on the Ride Insanos, I found that those are a bit too stiff. Tried on the Burton Photons, those are a little bit too soft. These were just right in between for the stiffness. The other thing I liked about the Synapse, the guy at the shop actually wears these boots and he was able to give me lots of good information. TJ also had some good things to say about the Synapse, so thanks TJ, working the camera right now. It's also a very personal thing for buying boots because of the shape of how the boot fits on your foot. So Solomon is good for people with narrow ankles, which is what I have. Overall shape just felt really good. My foot was comfortable, but also very tightly fit within the boot, so just felt like it was gonna perform really, really well. So I'm gonna put these on, probably wear them around tonight, and then tomorrow take them out for the first day. So I got the new boots, stoked on tomorrow. Thanks for coming along for the ride today.
See you guys.
My name's Andrew, this is Sandri, and we're from Florida.
Jacksonville, Florida. We're out here for a week. We just met Kevin and TJ. We're having a great time. You guys are awesome. Shout out to family in Florida. We'll be there tomorrow morning. Wish we could stay another day.
What's up, Florida?
These guys are awesome.
This guy is right here. Awesome.